We're going to be doing an unboxing video today. Hi everyone, I'm Fan, designer here at the Bead Flora studio. No, it's not beads. I didn't buy any more beads. I have enough beads, but I'll probably buy more beads. Last month, as I was putting together a shoe rack as an organizer in the studio, it's behind me right there. I made a joke on my Facebook page that it would be hilarious if I had a channel called Unboxing with Fen, and it would be just basically a channel of me opening boxes of just stuff and trying to figure things out because I am just a big klutz and I have no clue when it comes to putting together things. As I was putting together that shoe rack, I was just going, what the heck is going on? There aren't enough pieces. I'm missing a piece. Now I actually have to call someone or email someone. Yeah. And another embarrassing thing, yesterday I was putting together a fan. For some reason, it was like 80 degrees here in Wisconsin in September. But I was putting together this fan that came in the mail, and seriously, I thought that there was a piece missing. I went through the box. I went over the box several times, and I tried to find, to see if it was nested inside something, because I guess they like to do things like that. I checked multiple times, and I accused my children of taking things, of taking the parts. And so eventually, after searching and searching, I emailed the seller, and my husband came along and said, "What are you doing?" And I told him I'm putting together this fan and there's a piece missing. And when I emailed the seller, I realized that, oh, there's 2 pieces missing, and then there's 3 pieces, and there's 4 pieces missing. So I'm emailing the seller and saying there's 4 pieces missing in your box. And yeah, there were no pieces missing in that box. My husband took the thing out of the nested tube. So yeah, it's a great fan. It works perfectly. It's remote control, and I love it. And I emailed the seller again and said, yeah, never mind. Yeah, I embarrassingly apologized. So yeah, basically that's me. I'm a big klutz, and it would be hilarious if I had an unboxing channel of just watching my process of trying to put things together. I mean, it's frustrating at the time. For me, it's really frustrating because what the heck? I can't find stuff. I can't put together this stuff. But it's really hilarious to watch. And after the fact, I laugh at myself and say, yeah, it's really funny. It would be really funny for someone else to watch me try to put together things. And especially if it's an electronic item too, like an electronic item where I have to connect something to Bluetooth, like connecting Bluetooth to a tripod, connecting Bluetooth to earbuds, or connecting anything to Wi-Fi. So if I had more time, I certainly would do it, because I just want to make people laugh, and it would be really funny to watch. And I think it would be funny for me to watch after the fact too. It'll be more like an out-of-body experience. It's not really me. I'm just watching this girl who has no clue trying to put together things. Now, right after I made that joke, the very next day, a camera came in the mail. I was expecting a camera. This company, IPEVO, had emailed me a while ago asking me to test out their document camera. And it is a document camera where you can where you can record what you're doing with your hands. So it's great for my YouTube videos. It has a document feature, which I'm not really interested in. I'm not doing anything with that. The other feature that I really liked is that it can project whatever you're doing live onto a TV or a projector, and that is a feature that would be great for when I'm teaching in the classroom. And oh yeah, I got a projector too, and I need to figure out how to use that. Oh yeah. Now I lost my train of thought. Where was I? So yes, I said yes because right after I got that email, I was looking through their website, and I was foaming at the mouth because it would streamline so many things that I'm currently doing with my YouTube video making tutorials. Making tutorials for my website. It would streamline so many things because right now I'm working with a tripod with an extending arm, so I can get a good angle of my hands of what I'm doing. But with this camera, it's just a camera, and it gives the right angle, and I can sit still in my chair and not have to worry about angling my body in all sorts of weird ways. And it's also great, like I said, in the classroom. So I said, yes, I will try this camera. And the very next day after I made that joke on my Facebook page, the camera came. And then I said, now I need to do an unboxing video of an electronic item. So here we are. We're going to be doing an unboxing video for this IPEVO document camera. And if someone like me, the world's biggest klutz, can figure out how to work something, so can you. I have the box here, and I'm excited to open it up. All right. My new camera, the VZ-X wireless document camera. Packing list. Whoa. Cool. Okay. Where's the manual? So I don't need that. Where's the manual? There's no manual. I need words. I need words to tell me how to use it. Okay, I think I need to download the instructions. Oh, right here it says, download manual and software. Okay, so they don't have the manual in the box. So let's look at the camera first. This is wireless. So what is this for? light, filter, rotate, zoom, whatever that is, power. Okay, I'm completely confused. I have to figure out how to use this thing. So this is a camera, projector thingy. I think it'll be great for my videos and also for teaching. So the thing that I noticed is that there are not a lot of parts, which I like because I can't figure out tons of things. There's one cord and one camera, so that'll keep things nice and simple. So I'm off to figure out how to use this thing. Hi everyone, I'm back, and it actually has been several weeks since I did the unboxing for the IPEVO camera. I said I was going to print off the manual and be right back, but you know, I have kids, so that didn't happen, and then I started preparing for Bead Bun classes and also a presentation at the Loose Piece Society. So that took quite a bit of time, and I will upload that video at some point after I do some editing. I did a Facebook Live, and there were some technical difficulties, so I'll do some editing to get everything ready for that. And I finally have a chance to play with my new camera, and I have to say it is really, really amazing. I am so loving my new setup. First of all, this camera is wireless, so I just switched on the wireless option here, right here. You can connect it with a USB cable also, but I chose the Wi-Fi option, and that's it. It's really lightweight, and then it connects wirelessly to my laptop through Wi-Fi. Right there, it's connected. And then the video, and it just records and is on my computer. That is amazing. Click on the video here. And this is for, this project that I'm doing is for a class that I'll be teaching at the Waukesha Public Library for 10 to 12-year-olds. I'm very excited to get the next generation into beading. This video here, I'm going to need to redo this video because as you see on my hands, I have all these gashes on there, like right here and right here. I took off my Band-Aid to do the video, but I cut myself yesterday cutting some cauliflower. But I don't know how this cut got there. I keep getting cuts and I don't know how I get them. And like right here on my finger, I have 2 cuts. I was making lunch for my kids like this last week. And then all of a sudden I have these cuts, and then the next day I get another cut. I just don't know how. It's incredible. I don't know how I got the cuts. So I really need to get my hands healed before I can remake a video. I really thought that I probably could, but I can't. It just looks horrible. Okay, now I want to show you what my previous recording setup looked like. I would sit in this chair here and record using this tripod and camera. And I would hook this camera onto the tripod. I have a Canon T3i. It's probably about 8 years old, older than my first child. We bought it before he was born. And I would hook this up onto here. I don't have the plate on here to hook it on. I don't have the plate to hook it onto there right now. And now I would record on here, and I would sit in this chair, and I would have to twist my body in all sorts of weird ways. But I endured it because that's what I had to do. And you probably wonder why I have this mirror over here. It probably needs to be cleaned too. I would use this mirror to reflect the screen on the computer. On the camera, so I could see. So I can see. On there what I'm recording. So that's a tip. If you are using if you're still using a standard camera, that's what you can do to, instead of like turning around all the time to look at your screen, use a mirror to see where you are, just to make sure that you're on the screen. But yeah, that's what I did. And then after I filmed, I would take my memory card and then, put it on my computer. But now that I have this new amazing camera, the IPEVO, I don't have to do this anymore. So I am very, very excited. So this is the pricing that IPEVO sent to me. They have the entry level, a mid-range, and also the top of the line, the VZ-X wireless one that I tested. I think if you are just making videos for tutorials where you just need to record things of you doing stuff, I think the entry-level one would be a great choice, because if you look on Amazon and look at tripods with extending arms to try to look down onto your work surface, you can spend up to $100 or $200 for a good tripod, just so that you can get a good angle of your of what you're working on. So to have a camera like this to hook up to your laptop and just eliminate all of the mess with having to work around your tripod, I think that is a great choice. And from what I can see with the dual mode, it's not wireless. You still need to hook it up to a laptop, but you can do your regular recording and also have it projected to a TV or a projector. And then this one that I tested is just really cool because it's wireless, and you can also do the recording and also to have it set to a projector or a TV. So I think if you are a maker and you want to get started with making video tutorials, the entry-level one would serve your purpose just fine. You don't need all of the bells and whistles if you just want to make videos. But if you are also an instructor like me in a classroom, having either the VZR or the VZX would be great complement for the classroom. So did you enjoy watching the opening boxes and trying to figure things out? If I made more unboxing videos, would you like to watch them? Would you like for me to have a channel called Unboxing with Fen? That probably won't happen, but would you watch? I hope you enjoyed watching me clunking around, trying to figure things out. I uploaded about 4 videos of my pink magnolia making process that is on my channel right now, so definitely check those out. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and visit me on the website at beadflora.com. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.